His beauty, finished in a stunning metallic blue with chrome accents, captures everything we love about classic cars. From the aggressive stance to those unmistakable lines, the Chevelle is a showstopper. Pop the hood and you'll find raw V8 power, the heart that made this car a street icon for generations. Built for performance, built for speed, and built to last. Inside, it's pure vintage character, timeless styling, old-school muscle car feel, and a driving experience that never goes out of style. Whether you're a collector, a car show enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates true American muscle, this Chevelle delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this showcase, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more classic car features. The legend lives on, the Chevy Chevelle.